Hello, food enthusiasts, welcome back. Today we explore the wonders of nutritious and delicious foods. Today, we're diving into the world of zucchini and uncovering the fantastic benefits it brings to the table. Before we begin, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our mouth-watering content. Zucchini, also known as courgette, is a green summer squash that packs a serious nutritional punch. One of its standout features is its low-calorie content, making it an excellent choice for those aiming to maintain a healthy weight. Despite being low in calories, zucchini is rich in essential nutrients, including vitamins and minerals. What sets zucchini apart is its impressive antioxidant profile. Antioxidants help combat oxidative stress in our bodies, reducing the risk of chronic diseases. Zucchini contains antioxidants like vitamin C, beta-carotene, and lutein, contributing to a stronger immune system and healthier skin. Maintaining a healthy heart is crucial, and zucchini can be a valuable ally in this journey. It is a good source of potassium, a mineral that plays a key role in regulating blood pressure. By incorporating zucchini into your diet, you're taking a step towards promoting cardiovascular health. If you're looking to boost your digestive health, look no further than zucchini. This vegetable is rich in dietary fiber, which aids in digestion and promotes a healthy gut. Fiber also helps prevent constipation and supports a feeling of fullness, making it a great addition to any balanced diet. Beyond its health benefits, zucchini is incredibly versatile in the kitchen. From Zoodles, zucchini noodles to grilled slices and delicious casseroles, there are countless ways to incorporate zucchini into your meals. Its mild flavor makes it a fantastic addition to both savory and sweet dishes. It's clear that this humble green squash has a lot to offer. Whether you're aiming for a nutrient-packed meal or a tasty addition to your favorite recipes, zucchini deserves a spot on your plate.